Hi, I'm Kandijan. Let's run the code. Now the code will scrape React data. Now AWS data. These are the topics scraped by React documentation. These are the topics scraped by the AWS documentation. When I call the drive method, it will call this main method. In this main method, it will call these 5 methods. These 5 methods will be responsible for getting data from the React documentation and structure them, and getting data from the AWS documentation and structure them. And finally, this combined data function will combine all the data and write to the final result.json file. Okay, then I will go to the directories in my code. I have 4 directories: AWS, constants, React, and utilities. This AWS directory and the React directory contains aws.py file and the react.py file. So this aws.py file contains the class AWS function. This class includes all the method and functions to scrape the data from the AWS documentation. And similarly, the react.py file contains the React function class, and this class contains all the methods to scrape the data from the React documentation. And also the utilities directory, I have utilities.py file. So in there I have 4 methods. So these methods are used by both AWS and React.py files when scraping data. And also I have the constant directory. This constant directory have 3 constant files which are used by the AWS and the React functions. And all the instruction to run the code will include this readme.md file. So thank you.